I'm standing on the corner of a busy street, watching all the faces that I'll never meet. I tend to look away and keep it all inside, but I don't want to let my heart just hide. Jesus, let me see through your eyes. Let me love every color in the light. Let me love my brothers and my sisters too. Let me love them the way you do. With a heavy load, walking down a long and a dusty road. Help me see the story written in their soul. Make my selfish spirit finally whole. Jesus, let me see through your eyes. Let me love every color in the light. Let me love my brothers and my sisters too. Let me love them the way you do. Every single person is a child of grace. Let me see your image in every face. Jesus, oh, let me see through your eyes. Let me love every color in the light. Let me my brothers and my sisters too. Let me love them the way you do.